There's your thumbnail.
We're at the racetrack, however, it is packed right now. All right, here we are, both teched in. I'm 258, Gina 259.
They should have changed my 5 to a 6.
The only thing today is that it's 8th mile because it's so smoky outside. You can't really see all the way down to the finish line, so we're just doing 8th mile today.
Yes.
Your number's 750. I'd like to hit like a 550.
You want to hit 550 today? Damn, okay.
Running Joe off-road, getting the sneakers on. Are those are good shoes? Worth like eighth of a second?
Yeah, they saved me about an eighth of a second.
Because you can press the gas harder, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I knew it. I got a little ThinkPad here for tuning the car, which is kind of convenient. Also, we got these QMI scooters. Oh my god, are they a lifesaver at the track. They fold up in half so you can just like chuck them in the trunk, but these things are going to be killer for drag and drive.
Gentlemen, it's time to level up your game. You've got the style, the attitude, and the swagger, but there's one thing missing. The perfect grooming. The Performance Package 4.0 has everything you need to manscape like a pro. Take the Lawnmower 4.0 for example. It features a cutting-edge ceramic blade designed to reduce grooming accidents and has a 4000K LED spotlight for those hard-to-see areas. No need to make a mess on the floor. This one's waterproof. The Performance Package also includes the new Weed Whacker 2.0 nose and ear hair trimmer. It uses a powerful 7,000 RPM motor to plow down that nose forest while specially designed to reduce nicks, snags, and tugs in those delicate nose holes. But that's not all, there is more. Also included are the Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant and the Crop Reviver Ball Toner Spray. Simply apply the Crop Preserver after your shower for all-day body odor protection. Meanwhile, the Crop Reviver is a convenient spritz with cooling aloe vera to quickly refresh the area. Manscaped even threw in 2 free gifts to their Performance Package 4.0. The Manscaped Anti-Chafing Boxers and the Shed Travel Bag so you can take your grooming routine on the go.
Manscaped, the ultimate men's grooming experience. Go to manscaped.com today to get 20% off and free international shipping when you use code BoostedLifestyle at checkout. That's 20% off and free international shipping when you use code BoostedLifestyle at manscaped.com.
A wild mullet appears.
I went like 5.9 something spinning, and Gina went like 7.17. So I added some more launch to Gina's car, but took boost out of it, so hopefully we can make it up in the front half on her car. And then I took some launch out of mine and added more boost so I can go faster down the track. Hi Adam. Did you make a run yet?
Huh?
Did you make a run yet?
Just about to.
What are you waiting for?
I was waiting for my battery to charge. It was pretty dead when I was like doing launch control and setting shit up last night.
Hi, Trevor. Adam in the air. So with the street tires, I'm gonna try and put them out of the groove. See if it'll hook. I think you said you left it on the dyno tune. know what it went?
10-1 and 145.
646 at like 100.
646?
646.
Yeah.
And you forgot where the gears were between.
Yeah.
And then when you got it into third, it let the tires go
Yeah.
hard.
Yeah. It's a rocket ship.
Not the left lane. Dude, you're like.
The charge is just a little bit.
724, 99 mile an hour, gets there first. So we got Tony from Calgary and big guy Kyle. .562, 133 to 525, 143 for Tony.
I seen you kick that Hellcat's ass.
Yeah. But then did you see that? What was that Camaro or something? The old Corvette or Camaro? It was either an older Camaro or Corvette or something. Maybe.
Kick his ass too?
No, he kicked my ass. Like you should have seen his 60 foot was really. What was it? It was way better than mine.
Okay, let me see.
This is mine right here. That was him.
You had a 712.
Yeah.
You want more 60 foot? I can give you more 60.
I like how we hit 750. I need to because we're changing the launch. I feel like.
Oh yeah, I think today is just a have fun day and enjoy it.
I know, but I'm also testing how different things feel. I think you know what I mean. Whether it's did I do a better burnout this time?
I seen you do a good burnout with the Hellcat.
Oh, okay.
I didn't see the last pass.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But I get it. I did hot lap it because I was like, oh, the lineup's big enough. I'm like, it'll be fine.
They actually prepped the track for us. For me and Tony. Because me and Tony went up side by side. Yeah.
Are you in the top 16 too, though?
We might be 1 and 2.
For the SRT4 to 10.
Wow.
I went 5.6 and he went 5.2.
Huh?
He went 5.2 and I went 5.6.
Yeah, I saw 5.62 or something.
Top
He went.
6. .72, 113 for the police. .574, 132. I guess Gina went slower again, but she hot lapped it. The car's actually super warm right now. But I think she's going to be in top 16. I think I'm in top 16. I spun 100 feet out. It was so stupid. I might add more power to mine. I'm definitely going to add more power to hers if she's in top 16, so... Hey, Gina?
What?
We'll add a little more power. Yours is actually really hot right now.
I know. Really hot.
Yeah, I wonder why.
The fans are on?
Yeah, I know, because it's up above.
Start the car for a minute. Circulate it.
Yeah, I'm going to...
Staging lanes.
Bend her over and put her on the hood.
Oh! Gina!
Hi, I got pulled over in the pits. Just kidding. Or am I?
Gina!
What?
You got pulled over!
There's your thumbnail.
Wait. My pants were. I have like a little bum.
We're gonna remove you and
We're racing!
put you two against each other because I made that mistake. So 266. Sorry, you're not racing. I made that mistake.
Oh, that was the Mopar guy.
That was the Mopar.
No, race me.
Yeah, beating your ass.
Yeah, because the last time we raced, I beat you.
You did, yeah.
Because I was in the Hellcat.
She
Remember
beat
that?
you by 0.0.
Because you couldn't get on your bump and your brake.
Right, that's almost a perfect.
So a little bit of context here, because I failed to include that apparently. There was a top 16 at the Tuner Bash, so the top 16 passes got put together in a ladder. I was in second, Tony was in first with that Corvette, and they paired 1 and 16, 2 and 15. It just so turns out that Gina ended up being 15th fastest, so Gina and I end up going up first.
So top 16 bracket puts 1 versus 16, 2 versus 15. So first pair down is Tony, and I think that BMW. Second pair down is Kyle versus Gina. Tony's giving them the tire.
And now technically Gina should have won because my car actually stalled out on the starting line, but they were trying to get her to start with her back tire on the light so they would give her an advantage over me, just trying to cheat a little bit. So they ended up backing her up. It gave me enough time to start my car up again and get on the converter, and then we actually had an even race, which technically she should have won, but you know.
to 721, 101. Nice.
What? Yeah. Keep shutting up. Hey, hit the lights. What?
I said he hit the light.
He did.
Only a few spots left.
He stalled. How you stalled automatic, we still don't know, but he did it.
Same guy who left his whip pins out, remember that?
Sorry I had to beat you. You should have won because my car stalled out and you were in the second bulb, so they should have let you go after 8 seconds.
Yeah, but they let me back up.
Yeah.
They made me back up so you could have a second chance. So like,
Technically she kicked my ass.
also my reaction time was better, so like...
Was it? I didn't even look at the slip.
Yeah, I was 0.1, you were 0.2.
Oh. Now for whatever reason they made Tony and I race. They were just like, you two are clearly the fastest. We were the only ones running in the 5s that day in the 8. And they were like, okay, whatever, screw the ladder, you two race next, and we'll see what happens. And this is what happens.
To 556. Woo!
Oh my god, he fucking
looks like there's a line leaking down when you're driving away.
Training fluid? Yeah, I seen it the whole way back. I was trying to catch you.
Oh, like Craig, I didn't notice until I got back here. I'm like, I still training. And then you dropped and ran. He's like,
Shit.
Oh, that was a good run though.
That was, yeah.
That was a good run.
That was a good side-by-side race.
That should have been the final, but
Yeah. Did you purposely get bumped into mine? Because I think
they put it. That's why I'm like, I was first and you second. Like, we shouldn't have lined up yet.
Yeah,
but I think they just like put it. Like, too fast. Let's go.
So Tony blew a trans line when he was racing us. That's like basically the only reason he didn't beat me.
Look behind it.
Yeah, behind. He blew the trans line at the 330, and he started like spinning. The whole back of the car is covered in oil. But potentially the first race I would ever win. They shut it down because they got to clean the track, so they're going to go into the burnout competition, which is fair for everybody else. But like I said, potentially my first win spoiled a little bit. Actually,
now you're just winning by default.
I'm winning by default, but Gina should have also beat me to be fair as well. So.
Good job, though, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
You did great, baby.
Put down a hell of a fight.
Any day at the racetrack's better than a day.
Working.
This is absolutely true.
I mean, it's not really. This is kind of working for us, but.
Oh,
That's what I mean. I'm not complaining.
Yeah. Good job. I don't think your car went slower than 750 today.
I did run a 760 something.
Oh, when it was hot.
I think when it was really hot because I hot lapped it twice, and the second time the lineup was a little bit really long, and it just like crept. And I have some pinhole leaks in that really fancy tank that Kyle welded for me and didn't pressure test before Wes painted it, so I'm low on coolant.
Also,
True.
When you raced me, you went like 720, I think.
I think it was 721, and I technically got up on the converter twice because you f***ed me up on the light.
Yeah, sorry about that.
And also, nobody reminded me, okay, like maybe I should remember myself, but apparently I've been f***ing up my burnouts because I've been doing them in first gear.
Yeah,
and
1, 2,
not
3.
shifting, because I was saying to Sarah, I'm like, I knew there was something that I was supposed to remember to go back into first when I got to the lights, but I couldn't remember why. So.
Oh, there's Tony on the scooter.
Was that the other one?
They told me to come back for some reason. I was like,
Yeah,
That's
your
your
trophy's
trophy.
here.
a trophy again.
Oh, my other scooter's over there. I'll go grab it.
Now we're going.